this big tube right here is a vacuum cleaner, and it's going to vacuum it out as we go. And this, we're going to clean out this intake port with those valves in there. I already have the before picture. I'm going to take the after when we get done with it. So I'll be back with the next video soon. All right, here we go, final video. Try and get down here and show you what we did. Get this camera to focus on the valves, but there they are, much cleaner. So now we got 5 more to do, and we'll be done.